My name is Jill Mitchell, and I'm a professor of accounting at Northern Virginia Community College. I've been an adjunct at George Mason University since 2008. I was drawn to George Mason because of the reputation in the DC metro area, but it was really the reputation of the faculty members. They are leading designers, they are leading researchers in practice combined with research. They have a great reputation, not just in our area, but nationally. And so the opportunity to work with them based on their reputation is really what drew me to George Mason over other programs. I've never felt alone. We always just had this sense of connection in the online courses in the program. The online courses are way more than just logging into Zoom and talk and listening to a lecture from the professors. The professors demonstrate good instructional design, whether you were sitting in a classroom face-to-face or online. They make the online experience engaging by developing creative learning experiences and opportunities for you to connect with the professor. You don't need to be in a classroom to learn. And that was, I think, one of the biggest takeaways for me.